Sweet Biome Fermented Sake Spray is a balancing skin spritzer that restores hydration and moisture levels while providing support for a healthier acid mantle and microbiome. Sweet Biome is formulated at an ideal and skin-friendly pH of 4.5 and is made with potent antioxidants, natural minerals, ceramides, and amino acids to keep skin soft, flexible, and rejuvenated. Skin's barrier and microbiome are actually different, and both need supportive ingredients to thrive. Our skin barrier, or acid mantle, is responsible for keeping harmful substances like pollution and dirt out in order to make sure skin remains healthy, smooth, and protected. The microbiome is made up of tiny microorganisms that live on our skin and help regulate the absorption of antioxidants while reducing the growth of harmful bacteria. These microorganisms play an important role in the overall health of the acid mantle. If you think of skin's acid mantle as a house, the microbiome is the groundskeeper, keeping it at its best. Fermented sake is dense with nutrients and provides a powerful defense against free radical damage, strengthens the skin's barrier, and helps reduce the appearance of redness. Powerful electrolytes, sodium PCA, and coconut water help maintain hydration levels while providing lightweight moisturizing properties. Black tea ferment, commonly known as kombucha, contains powerful barrier-restoring benefits, leaving skin smooth and radiant. Shake Sweet Biome first and mist onto a clean, dry face as a prep step for your favorite daytime or nighttime smoothie, or anytime your skin needs a refresher throughout the day.